Is there any simple method to make more than a couple of $100 right now? And when I say simple, I mean having 90% of the work done for you with only a few clicks of a button, and then you can start earning. Only a handful of more than 300 different methods and strategies to make money online have passed the test and are proven to make real money. And after researching more than 300 different methods and strategies to make money online, only a few of them actually pass the test and are proven to make actual money. What's more, guess what one of them is? This one website is absolutely free with no investment necessary and is available for everyone worldwide. So whichever country you're from, this opportunity might be right for you. Don't miss out on this chance to earn money online, even when you're at home on your phone or on your computer. Follow along the video and make sure not to miss the steps. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I'll show you one of the laziest ways to make money. And I'm not talking about small money here. I'm talking about up to thousands of dollars. I want you to go to Latium.org. Once you come over to their homepage, you can actually browse different featured projects. You can see here when I scroll down below, people are earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per project. The good news is there are literally unlimited projects that you can select right on this website, and you could be making a lot of money. I'll show you a very lazy way to make really good money. You don't have to put in any of the hard work. And as you can see here, people from different countries in the world are getting this opportunity to make really good money. As you can see here on the left section, they are basically categorizing our job into different categories. For example, usability testing, registration, translation, app downloads, animation and video, and so on and so forth. So in this video, I'll save you a lot of time, and I'll even throw in a bonus tip. I'll be giving you what's best and what's working right now, and you could be making a lot of money. Now, for those of you guys who are watching, I want to show bonus tip, and I want to focus on this category, which is graphics and design. All you've got to do is just click on this link right here, and that's going to bring you to this page. It will show you especially all the projects related to graphics and design. Now don't worry, you don't need any graphic design skills. You don't need any other technical skill actually, and you don't need any experience. And in fact, I promise you, this is one of the laziest ways to make money, and you can do this as a complete and total beginner. Just look at all of these projects. You can see here that there are unlimited jobs and projects available for everyone. And I can just keep on scrolling down. But the next question you probably have is, how can we actually do that? If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. With that being said, we are going to dive straight into one of the examples. Now let's just say, for example, a project just like this one is posted by this employer. You can see here the project requirement. Now all you've got to do is click on this project, and that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here that they will be giving you this amount for the project, and they're going to pay in US dollars. Now you can see in this section the project details and instructor. Once again, don't you worry, you don't have to create any of the logos or artworks yourself. All you have got to do is to go on to freelogodesign.org. Once you come over to their homepage, you can see here basically that this website offers you free services and free software to create logos for you. And literally, the seconds, as you can see here, these are just some of the professional logos that they've made for different companies. And these are all from different templates and different designs. I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. and I'll give you a lot of examples. I'll even show you a few bonus tips right now. Let me show you exactly how to do it. You'll need 2 pieces of information to create a free logo on this website. Number 1, you need a company name, and number 2, you have to select one of these categories. Let's just say we want to work on this product, and you can enter the company name over here. The reason why we're going to put in the name of the company is that the name of the company will appear right on the logo. Right? Moving on, you'd want to learn about what's the category of the company. Now, once we enter the name of the company, we can move on to select one of these categories. You can just click on this down arrow and choose one of these categories from that. When you scroll down below, you're going to look for the best category that fits this company. You can just click on this, and from there, all you've got to do is click the Get Started button, and they're going to start loading up. As you can see here, they're showing you different kinds of logos. And guess what? With just one click of a button, you can see here that they literally help you to create pages and pages of different logo designs that you can use for absolutely free. Now, I want you to scroll down and choose any one of these designs. Let's just say, once you finish on page number 1, now here go on to the next page, and they'll show you even more different logo. As you can see here, the name of the company will show up right here on the logo. Now, if you're not satisfied with any of these logos, or for example, when you send to your client on lithium.org and they're not satisfied, you can just go on and select any one of these new logos and show them once again. There are just unlimited options and unlimited creative logo designs that you can choose from with just a click of a button, and you don't need any technical. You don't need graphic design skills, and you don't have to create any of the logos yourself. As I promised you, this is one of the laziest ways to make money right now without any experience at all. Just click on these right here and click on the Add button, and that is going to show up right here on your canvas. Now you can do any of the customizations or any editing that. Say, for example, with this logo, you can just drag and drop to whatever place you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it a little smaller. You can do any adjustment that you want. For example, the name of the company. You can even add some more text. You can change the color, you can change the font type, and the font size you can drag and drop to any place that you want. You can then preview this logo by just clicking on this button. And once again, this works on your mobile phone. This works on your computer, and you can do it on any device that you have once you're satisfied with the logo design. All you've got to do is click on the Save button to save it on your computer. So this is just one of the examples to create a logo for this one company. And guess what? When you go back to ladym.org and browse on different projects, you have literally hundreds of projects that are looking to hire people like you to design different logos. And they're paying you thousands of dollars again, and again, and again. Now, all you've got to do is just click on this button on top to sign up for free, and that's going to bring you to this page. Just put in your email address, and you can sign up for a free account and start making money as a bonus for you guys that stuck with me until the end. I'll show you another bonus tip other than ladym.org. You can actually also go on to Fiverr.com. This is basically another freelancer website where you can find different similar projects as well. All you've got to do is type in the keyword logo design. And all you've got to do next is click on the search button from there. You can find different projects and different other logo design work. As you can see here, these are just some examples of other freelancers from different countries, all over the world. They are making really good money on Fiverr by simply helping other people create a logo. There are thousands of people looking for somebody to help them create a logo design, and guess what? You could be one to do this, and you can just simply go on to freelogodesign.org to create all the logos professionally with just a click of a button. And that's it. This is Gain Access. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.